Thanks for joining me on part 8 of the SANDHILL Cranes project. It's time for us to remove the top of that gourd.
Okay, now, in order to make your cut, you're going to need a paring knife, and I have one that's not one of my kitchen knives. You simply sink it in, wiggle a little bit, and then move a little bit higher, sink it in again, wiggle a little bit, and make a little tiny opening right there. Once you have an opening, then hopefully your drill is charged, and we'll cut. This cut's not crucial because you're going to have plenty of opportunities to smooth this over and to sand it. Basically, you're just opening it up so that you can get the seeds out. I'm not wearing a mask because I'm out here with about 15 knots of wind blowing all of the dust away from me. But if there wasn't any breeze, I would also have a mask on. But I've got on safety glasses and I've got on headphones, and you know who wants to be in the picture with us? Dear Jasper. This is Jasper, the big kitty. Yeah. So now we've got it cut open. I've got a little bit of my design here, and I've got the horrible idea that I think that we should add a border all the way around the back if we're doing a really big gourd, because this gourd is just so nice and thick that I want to take advantage of that and put a border like this with some grasses, but you don't have to do that if it's a smaller gourd. So there's the first one, and here's the super big one. This one might end up being a lamp. That would be a pretty attractive lamp. And then the third. So I'm going to put my ears and eyes back on and cut the other two. Two down, one to go. Okay, like I said, these didn't have to be perfect cuts. They don't even have to be perfectly flat. If I do decide to turn this one into a lamp, I'll put a base right there to help hold the supports. But if you're doing a smaller lamp, it probably wouldn't. I mean, if you are doing this project using a smaller gourd, something more like this size or even smaller, then you're probably not going to turn it into a lamp unless you just want to turn it into a really small, like a side table lamp. And I'll link my video up here to show you how I put together a lamp. I think I've done that video. If not, I won't link it. You won't see it. I can't remember if I produced that one yet or not. But it was a whole lot of fun putting together a lamp. So now I've got a lot of seeds in here. I could save the seeds for someone, or I could dump them out right here into the swamp and let them grow. I haven't saved seeds in a while, so I might actually save seeds, although they're really smelly. But the reason that I went ahead and cut before I start doing all of the carving is because you're going to find that you really have to hang on to the gourd when you're taking the skin off, and with that top on it just makes it difficult to do. So this will give us at least a handhold and a way to hang on to the gourd. And the other reason is because it's almost time to sit on the end of the dock with some sundowners, and this is a perfect project for me to sit out there with the big spoon and with my cordless drill and clean these out and just let the breeze take all of the particles away from me. I don't have to worry about wearing a mask because it's so breezy today. It's just going to blow everything away. So, next step is going to be the carving, or if I decide to do the border. I'll do the border, and then we'll just all pick up together with the carvings. So isn't this going to be, they're going to be so attractive. And I've been wanting to use some of my really big gourds, so this is a great chance.
Thanks so much for joining me, and please click subscribe so you get notification on the next. What we're going to do is decide about that border around the back and if we want a double-lined border and burning that in. So please join me. I'll leave links to everything we've used below and hope to see you in the next one. Bye!